Hiya viewers, ramblers, Rub here, and we're in lovely Hayfield village. And I say it's lovely, the weather ain't so lovely, it's raining. So let's crack on with this ramble. Here we are on Market Street, actually in the village. We've got the church here. Richard St Matthew's Parish Church. It's kicking up even more. So first off, have a look over the old bank surgery and the Royal Hotel. Let's go with that, let's have a quick butcher's at it. It weren't raining when I set off from Whaley this morning at 9 o'clock. Yes, I have walked all the way. Here's the Royal Hotel. Oh, closed due to lease expiry. So it isn't even open. Should have seen that with the warning things on the glass, but blind as a bat. There's Hayfield Cricket Club. All shut up for the season. So yeah, that's probably my first bit up. It's going to be a focal point, the Royal Hotel, but obviously should have done my research. But I have had a nosy round before I started this. So let's get back out. There's the cenotaph. There we got the chemist on the corner at Bank Street, and that's KDM, Kingfisher Design and Management. Rosie Lee, quality home cooked food, open now, must be up there. Up Bank Street. There we are, Hayfield Pharmacy. Up here we got Hayfield Parish Council building, established 1894. A few more here. The Calisico Bazaar, antiques and interiors, and the Woolpack Studio. And over there we got the pack horse. Opening up, folk going in. The other thing about Hayfield is you're right onto the Pennine Way. There's loads of, there's a Calico Trail there. There's loads of signposts, the old school field. There's loads of places to go. Let's wander back up. Over there we've got J. Kemp Butchers. Not open on a Sunday. Oh, it does smell nice coming from here, from that, the Calico Bazaar. Smell incense. Felt nice. Oh, and that's rain in my face. I hope my phone holds out. Let's go over, because here it says Memorial Gardens. Let's go and have a take a picture, peekaboo at this. Memorial Gardens. Pull down the steps in the rain. And hope it into someone's back garden. Oh yeah. This is nice. The Memorial Gardens. Hayfield Memorial Garden. This garden was created by public subscription in memory of the 3 young people tragically killed in Hayfield on June the 25th, 1983. Martin Robinson, Colin Massey, Christopher Evans. Please enjoy it. We were 12, 14 and 21. This is the Memorial Garden. Look at that. How nice is that? Down here you can walk down. It's lovely. Here, I had a waterfall. Somewhere to Fiona and walk somewhere to lovely. I'd love to sit and eat my sandwiches here, but not in this weather. Let's get back to it. It's getting harder, this. Hitting the screen. Ugh. I don't actually know if this is going to be any good. I don't know what this has done. It's the rain on my screen. Sorry about this, viewers. This might be another wasted one. Did one in Buxton yesterday and I forgot to turn my gimbal on. Talk about shaky. So here we are now, back up Market Street. Hayfield Emporium open. Whippy ice cream, freshly ground coffee, all day food, cakes, snacks. Even takeaway pizza and burgers. Pick up a menu. Bit of everything in there. Then we got Millie's tea rooms and chocolatier. And Millie's bed and breakfast as well, I think. And over here we got Elephant Stones Gallery. The Village Chippy, traditional fish and chips. Still getting a bit of grief over saying the crispy cod's the best. And I stand by it. I do. I will try cod and cake in Whaley Bridge, and I didn't mention that in my vlog I did. It's up Harwich End. Here's the George Hotel. Good cracking food in there. Jules likes the cheese and onion pie. I always go for Big Burger. You can't beat it, can you? Big Burger. It's ensuite, they do accommodation. As I say, the food is good. The ale's alright. And this is about it. We're bringing this to a close. There's your hairdressers. Clippers of Hayfield. Now, sorry I couldn't bring you any good weather, and I'm the one who's got to try and get back to Whaley. So if you're enjoying this vlog video, hit the little like, subscribe, hit the notifications, or share. Until next time, viewers, from a wet sodden rub, take care. Adios. Rub out.